If you're struggling to inspect your coins up close and worried about missing tiny details that could affect their value, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Aliexpress EDM4 Microscope. The Aliexpress Microscope is a fantastic option for coin collectors, priced at $33.88. What caught my attention was its 4.3-inch display that offers a crisp view of your coins, making it a great choice for anyone wanting to inspect details carefully. If you want a reliable tool to closely examine your coins, this is worth a serious look. This microscope has a 720p HD display that delivers clear images, making it easier to spot those intricate details you need to assess your coin's worth. The 1000x magnification lets you zoom in on features like mint marks and surface textures, and the 8 adjustable LED lights mean you can see clearly, even in low light conditions. It's also compatible with both Windows and Mac, so you can connect it to a larger screen for more detailed inspection. Out of over 3,000 units sold this month, this model is proving to be popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the build quality, saying it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful, it does the job well and the price is hard to beat. Just know that if you're looking for something super rugged, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you're a casual collector looking for an affordable option to enhance your coin inspection. Skip this one if you're seeking a professional-grade tool that can handle rough use. Overall, it offers solid value for the money. Now, if the build quality of the Aliexpress EDM4 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TOMLOV DM9 Microscope. Next up is the TOMLOV DM9, priced at $69.95. The first thing that grabbed my attention was its 7-inch rotatable FHD screen. If you're after top-notch clarity and ease of use, this one's definitely worth considering. What makes the TOMLOV DM9 stand out is its 1080p resolution and 1200x magnification. Plus, it comes with a 32GB SD card for easy storage of your images and videos. You can share what you find with friends or keep a record for yourself. The all-metal frame adds durability, so it's built to last, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals alike. However, some users mention that the setup can be a bit complicated. I'll be real with you, it does take a little getting used to, but once you figure it out, it's smooth sailing. For those looking for something straightforward right out of the box, this might be a minor frustration. This microscope is perfect for you if you love detail and want a tool that combines great optics with durability. Skip this if you need something ultra simple or if you're on a tight budget. The quality justifies the price point, making it a strong investment for serious collectors. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a specialized feature. Product number 3, Aliexpress EDM4B Microscope. Coming up next is another Aliexpress model, the EDM4B, priced at $34.88. The black base design caught my eye right away. It's specifically made to reduce light reflection, which means better image clarity. If you're serious about your coin collection, this is another one worth checking out. The 720p display and 8 LED lights ensure that you can see every tiny detail, even in dim settings. Plus, it easily connects to your computer for a larger viewing experience, which is super convenient for sharing with fellow collectors or analyzing your finds. Over 700 units sold recently indicates it's gaining traction among coin enthusiasts. However, some customers found the stand a bit unstable. Here's the thing, while it can wobble a bit if you're careful during use, it's manageable and shouldn't deter you from seeing those important details. This microscope is perfect for you if you appreciate functionality and want a tool that enhances your viewing experience without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something with a sturdier base or if you plan to use it in a busy environment. Overall, it offers great value for a budget-friendly option. Now, if the stability of the EDM4B was a concern, the next product steps it up even further. Product number 4, Aliexpress EDM4C Microscope. Up next, we have the Aliexpress EDM4C, priced at $42.73. What's particularly interesting about this model is that it combines a microscope with a built-in weighing scale. If you want an all-in-one solution for your coin collection, this one's worth your attention. This microscope still boasts a magnification of up to 1000x and has an impressive 4.3-inch IPS display that ensures clear images from any angle. The adjustable LED lighting helps you see those important features so you won't miss anything. It's great for both coins and jewelry, making it quite versatile. With over 500 sales this month, it's catching the eye of collectors and jewelers alike. But honestly, for most collectors, it's close enough for general use and gives you a good ballpark figure without needing a separate scale. This microscope is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional tool that covers both magnification and weighing. Skip this if precision is your top priority, especially if you're dealing with rare coins and need exact measurements. It's a smart buy for collectors who want a bit more from their microscope. Finally, if you need a simpler solution, the last product I'll mention might fit the bill. Product number 5, WKR Coin Microscope. The last product on our list is the WKR Coin Microscope, available for just $29.98. I was drawn to its affordability and its features, especially the 1080p HD imaging. If you need something budget-friendly and effective for everyday use, this might be the one for you. This microscope provides 50x to 1000x magnification, which is great for inspecting coins closely. The 8 adjustable LEDs make it ideal for any lighting condition, ensuring you can see details clearly. Plus, it has a height-adjustable stand that helps you find the perfect viewing angle without straining your neck. With 500 units sold recently, it's proving to be a hit among collectors looking for something practical. However, the build is mostly plastic, which some users feel lessens its durability. Here's the thing, it's great for casual use, and if you handle it with care, it'll serve you well for general inspections. This microscope is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just looking for a reliable tool that won't break the bank. Skip this if you want something that can withstand heavy use or if aesthetics matter to you. For the price, it's a solid choice. If you're looking for an affordable way to enhance your coin collecting experience, this could be your go-to option. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 fantastic coin microscopes, each with its strengths. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the TOMLOV DM9 because of its excellent imaging quality and durability. It's perfect for serious collectors who want clarity and ease of use. I recommend avoiding the WKR Coin Microscope if you need something more robust, as its plastic build may not hold up for heavy use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.